We have a very good session today, very important and very informative session today. So I hope you all will enjoy it and you'll get lot of things to learn और ये आपको आगे आपके अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करने में कम्युनिकेशन इम्प्रूव करने में हेल्प करेगा. So before I ask sir to begin the session, let me introduce to you. Here we have with us Momin Saim today. And it's very proud for all of us as a member of this college that he was our student long back, and you can see his name reflected on the toppers list here, something that I missed to say in FIBCom. So I welcome him on behalf of the college and principal and all of you. And I request him to start the session. बाकी चीज़ें आपको सेशन के दौरान समझ में आएगा कि how he is, what his capabilities are. So I hope and I believe that you will enjoy it. And now I request Sam sir to please start the session.
Hello. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And very good morning to one and all. This is Momin Saim. As sir said, I am a language trainer and motivational speaker, YouTuber also. We are making videos on YouTube as well, and an author also, because I have authored 4 books till now, and my 5th book is going to come on 3rd December 2021. The title of the book is You Are the Hero. So as sir said, I completed my graduation from this college only in 2008 or 9. I completed my graduation, and as sir also said that English language communication skill, it plays a very important role in our life. If you do not have good communication skill, then you face a lot of difficulties in your life. So just in 30-40 minutes, I would like to just explain you how you can improve your communication and what is the importance of communication and why we need to improve our communication. These all things we are going to cover up in just 30 minutes. So I always start my session with a story. I would like to narrate you one story which will help you a lot to understand the importance of communication, as I believe that communication is the mother of every skill. If you do not have good communication skill, your all skills are useless, right? तो communication हमारी life में बहुत important role play करता है. This is a story of a boy who used to have a bad communication. Who used to commit a lot of mistakes in speaking English, or who used to be a very shy student of his school or his college life, and he faced so many difficulties. इसकी वजह से उनको बहुत सारे difficulties हुई, बहुत सारे problems हुई. Till 10th standard he was unable to read English, and till 12th standard he was unable to understand English, because understanding is very important, right? Because what is communication? Communication is all about understanding. And after completing his 10, when he took admission in 11th in English medium college, so there every lecture used to be in English, and he used not to understand anything. Just because of this, he got fail in 3 subjects. Can you believe? I just want your close attention here, then only you will be able to understand the concept, and then only the lecture will be fruitful for you. So he failed in 3 subjects: physics, chemistry and maths. After that, somehow he passed his exam in second attempt with 36, 37, 39 marks. Somehow he managed to got these marks. And after that, he took admission in graduation. Again, graduation, all subjects are in English. There also he faced a lot of difficulties. And one incident happened with him. He had gone to McDonald's. You know about McDonald's and Domino's, and it was in Mumbai. And you know that when you go to Mumbai, so when you go to Mumbai, what you need to do, like if you are visiting big malls, if you are visiting malls, and if you are visiting McDonald's and Domino's, so what happened? You have to speak in English, because their waiter or waitresses, they all ask you question in English. What would you like to have? What can I do for you, sir? What can I do for you, ma'am? So there, when he had to ask just of water, his English was not good, so he got so nervous. And the waiter was not responding to him because he was speaking Hindi. That time he felt so insulting. He realized the importance of communication. You know, when someone insults you, someone has said that there are 2 kinds of pain. One that hurt you, and second that changed you. So he had the second one. and that pain, that insult changed his life completely. And since then he started learning English language, started improving, and now you won't believe, he completed his post graduation in English literature, and he has English speaking classes also, and he is a motivational speaker, he is an author, or he is a teacher, and he is one and only Mr. Sam Momin. So this is English बोलने में everyone has, right? So and how many of you want to speak? कितने लोग बोलना चाहते हैं? सब लोग बोलना चाहते हैं. इंग्लिश इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लैंग्वेज, एज यू नो, राइट? विदाउट लर्निंग दिस लैंग्वेज यू आर गोइंग टू फेस लॉट ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज इन ए फ्यूचर लाइफ. यू कांट क्रैक योर इंटरव्यू, यू कांट गेट गुड जॉब, you can't develop your personality, you can't go out of city and talk to anyone in English. So you are going to face so many problems as I face times. SOMETIMES, sometimes. She raised first. कुछ वक्त. Your answer is not correct. कितने लोग बोलते कुछ वक्त? Okay. कभी कभी. What's your name? Ansari? Ansari Arifa's answer is correct. Clap for her. क्योंकि हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि एक गेम दिया गया हमको और उसको खेलने के लिए कहा गया है, और हम लोग डायरेक्ट 15 लेवल पे खेल रहे हैं, तो हम लोग बार बार उसको फेल हो जा रहे हैं, क्रॉस नहीं कर पा रहे क्योंकि डायरेक्ट 15 लेवल पे चले गए. तो एक पर्टिकुलर गेम है, तो पहले आपको लेवल 1 क्रॉस करना है, लेवल 2, लेवल 3, लेवल 4. दिस इज़ हाउ यू कैन गो टू लेवल 15, राइट? लेकिन हम लोग डायरेक्ट 15 पे चले गए, तो हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. लेकिन फर्स्ट लेवल खेलेंगे जो बहुत इजी होगा, तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आपको इस पर ग्रिप होगी, पकड़ होगी, तो आप 15 लेवल को भी क्रॉस कर पाओगे, राइट? तो यही हो रहा है हमारे साथ कि जो सिलेबस टेक्स्ट बुक्स है उसमें लेवल 15 है और आपका लेवल 1 ही क्लियर नहीं है, एंड यू आर ट्राइंग टू लर्न लेवल 15. दैट्स वाई यू आर फेसिंग डिफिकल्टीज. सो दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर कमिटिंग, राइट? सो शी विल टॉक अबाउट आवर बुक जिंदगी.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Ansari Gulab Shahnaz and I would like to tell you something about our book ज़िंदगी. ज़िंदगी सिर्फ एक बुक ही नहीं है बल्कि एक इंस्पिरेशन है उन लोगों के लिए जो अपनी ज़िंदगी में कुछ आउटस्टैंडिंग करना चाहते हैं. और इस बुक को पढ़ने के बाद बहुत सारे लोग अपनी ज़िंदगी में पॉजिटिव चेंजेस ला चुके हैं. बिलीव मी, ये बुक पढ़ने के बाद आप नहीं रहोगे बल्कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव हो जाओगे और ज़िंदगी के हर सेटबैक का जवाब अपने कम बैक से दोगे.
परसेंट मेरे अंदर जो डेवलप हुआ ना, जितना परसेंट में कॉन्फिडेंट का लेवल डेवलप हुआ वो मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन आज जो अंदर कॉन्फिडेंट आया, जो मैं जवाब दी 2-3 जो भी आंसर, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. और सर की जो इन्फॉर्मेशन वाली जो वीडियोस थी, आज मुझे ग्रामर की जो स्पेलिंग थी मैंने गलत बताया, जिसकी तस्दीक हो गई कि उसको कैसे लिखा जाता है, मतलब स्पेलिंग मेरी करेक्ट हो गई. और कुछ प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो मैं गलत मतलब करती थी, तो सर ने आज जो मतलब लेक्चर दिया, तो उसके अंदर मैंने 2-3 वर्ड्स के अपने प्रोनाउंसिएशन को भी करेक्ट किया. तो सर का जो मतलब अपना जो कीमती वक्त दिए सर हमारे लिए निकाले, वो बहुत ही मतलब हमारे लिए मतलब खुशकिस्मती है जो सर ने आकर के हमें आज इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया है. थैंक यू सर सो मच.